Patrol, to the lookout!
Ryder needs us! I better hurry! Oops, sorry. Wait for me! Guess this race ended in a hog tie.
Marshall.